Today I am going to show you how to use MetaMask and how to use Matic network, and you can purchase PolyDoji tokens with the help of QuickSwap exchange. First we can look how to use the MetaMask. I already added Matic mainnet to the MetaMask. Now I will just show how to add AVAX network. Similarly, you can add the Matic network too. The details needed for adding the network is given in my Telegram group, and the link is provided in the description. You can just copy the details. Apply it in the provided section. Remember, there is a space after every options added, so just remove that space at last. After entering the details of a network, you can click on the add option. You can see an AVAX chain wallet is created. Now we can go to the Matic network, and we can go to how to use Matic mainnet network. You can see I am having few amount of Matic and few PolyDoji. Matic mainnet token is basically available in MXC exchange with low withdrawal fee of 0.5 Matic. We will copy the address of the Matic mainnet from the MetaMask. Go to MXC, click on the withdraw button, select the Matic mainnet, enter your address and enter the amount. It is also available in BitMax exchange, but the withdrawal fee is slightly high. Just verify the OTP and submit the withdrawal request. It will be credited in a few minutes. After your MetaMask gets credited with Matic, you can go to the browser section. The link for QuickSwap will be provided in the description. Just go through the DApp section into the QuickSwap.exchange. Make sure your wallet gets connected. Now we can search for PolyDoji. Now enter the amount of Matic you need to convert into PolyDoji. After that, click on the swap button. You can see the network fee. It's a very low fee, so you can slightly increase the gas in order to prevent the failure of transaction. Just I am using 3. Then also the network fee will be very low. Now we can hit on the confirm button. You can see the tokens get credited into PolyDoji. That's all for today's description about this Matic network and usage of QuickSwap. For more videos, please keep subscribing our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.